Where is it? Grace, Amazing Grace. And it lights up. Where is it? Where's the switch? See? You can't see. Oh, it lights up. Grace, Amazing Grace. It's out of focus, but whatever. So I stopped by Ship Me today. This is my Michael Kors bag, and this is gonna be a what's in my bag video. I'm joking. It's just going to be a haul of all the stuff that I bought on eBay. So let go. So they come in this bag here, and I'll try my best to find, excuse me, the actual picture of the stuff that I bought so you can see, and stuff that can fit me and stuff that can't. So this, if you follow me on Instagram or on Snapchat, you'd have seen that I bought a blue one to this, and I'll probably insert a picture here, but this is the green one to it, an army green one. So I bought one of these. I'll try and find the picture and put it up for you guys. That's one. And then this is a black like a bat wing kind of a thing, and I'm gonna insert a picture because I'm doing a horrible job. But the make on this is so crappy because look at the edges. It's just there. It's not like folded or hemmed. It's just like the cloth them cut, and it's just there. It's so horribly done. But again, it was cheap, so I'm not expecting like, you know, a brand name or whatever for it. But I'm just saying, shoot, it dropped on the ground. It's cheap. See right beside the suitcase. Then I got this, which I was so excited about, but you guys, this thing came so darn small, and it doesn't even offer that much of a stretch, so I know this won't fit me. I just know this won't fit me, so I'm gonna probably have to give this away. I just know it won't fit me. Hey, yeah, see there. Then I bought this dress here, which I like so much. I bought it an extra large, I think. Oh, most of these are large, extra large. This is an extra large, and because of the fit of the dress, so hopefully it looks good on me. It was, let me tell you, the pictures on the models aren't like the real pictures of the image. It's just like inspired dresses, or dresses that have the similar style, but it's not the same like material or anything. But yeah. Then I bought this beautiful black dress, and I bought it specifically for classes, so hopefully I can lose some weight and fit into it. It's very see-through, but it's so pretty and perfect for breastfeeding. Just pop the nipples out and give my baby. Then the second one of this that I bought, the same batwing thing. And again, the make, I mean, it's hemmed here at the top or sewn or whatever, but it's just, I just don't like how it looks, you know? It just looks like unfinished. You see those frills? Just looks unfinished, and I don't like it. I don't. Oh, it twists back. I'm Grace, Amazing Grace. Anyway. Oh! What else did I get? That's it. That is it for this little eBay haul. Oh no, I bought some more stuff. This I wore in my like Happy New Year video and updates and the tag video, that one. I wore this white thingy, this black and white thingy, and I'll of course find pictures of everything that I bought and insert it. But it's not fitting me how it did the girl. It looks okay, you know, I ain't mad at it, but it's just not fitting me how it did the girl. And then I bought this jeans dress, this high-low jeans dress. That's an extra large, like 1X, like an XL, extra large. And this thing is so darn small. I should have gotten a XXX. This thing is so darn small. It's just not fitting me at all. And everything I bought on eBay, yeah, I bought everything on eBay. What else? Yeah, that's basically it. A very short video. It's a short video, and I don't do try-on videos because I don't think I look good trying on stuff. I look good from the neck up, you know, or from the bust up. From the, my boobs alright. I look good from the boob up, but nah, son, I don't think I can put it on and then model and then no, honey. I'm sorry, I'm playing with my hair. But yeah, so that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this. I hope you guys like these videos. If you like haul videos, please let me know by leaving a comment in the description bar below. And if you want to see more, just let me know. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want to see some more videos from me. Also, go ahead and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified of whenever I upload a video. You're the first to know. Also, remember, we're on our road to 500,000 here on Jamaican Makeup Artist YouTube channel. It'll mean a lot to me if you click subscribe, share this video, and yeah, we can do it. We're currently at 146,000 now, so yeah, let's do this. Let's do this. Alright, you guys, I'll talk to you in my next video, and bye. Mwah. You see him calm down now? Just like a breast him did one. Just like a titty. Alright, hi guys, so this is how you turn on your post notifications. Let me see if I can get this wider for you guys. Alright, so this is my vlog channel, Lyric Uncut, and all I have to do is go under here, Lyric Uncut, then you have subscribe. You click this little worky thingy, click it, and then you select send me all notifications for this channel, and then you click, hold on, and then you click save. And that's it. So whenever I upload anything at all, you'll be one of the first to know what I have uploaded. All right, look at me walking. So yep, that's basically it for this video. Pretty short. Just wanted to explain to you guys so you can turn on post notifications, because sometimes our videos don't go directly into your inbox, or you don't get the notifications. So by turning that on, you'll be notified on your mobile device.